Hi, I'm Shanya Karunaratne. I'm 20 years old. So I studied at Horizon College International, which is located in Malabay, and did my A-levels there, for which I followed the math stream. After that, I came to BCC, Brandix Corporate Campus, and I am currently doing the Bell Inspired Internship at Brandix Ratmalana. So I came across BCC because my parents actually directed me to that program, and I followed the college diploma in clothing technology and management since it helped me curate my passion for clothing as well as to get to know more about the technological side of the industry too. Being at BCC, since we joined at the COVID era, we actually got to have a mix of the virtual as well as face-to-face classes. But even then, the virtual classes was very interactive. They made sure we got a proper experience of the whole industry, even through Zoom meetings, through workshops, through after-class activities with other batches, and helped us connect and interact with other people within the university too. So as for my learning experience, being at BCC, we got a set of really great lecturers who interacted with us, who helped us out at any time, whether it was at 8 in the night or 10 in the night, even they were always willing to help us out with any doubts we had and were very helpful and very supportive. As for the out-of-class experience, we had so many great activities. We had a session called Corporate Athleticism, which helped us nurture our soft skills and things like that. We had many other activities such as hosting Christmas events, where we had a lot of fun staying late and getting to know each other and sort of working together, which was a whole other experience for us. But my personal favorite was when we got to spend 2 months at a factory for our implant training, where me and a few friends got to spend our 2 months at Karunaratne. So yeah, that was probably the highlight of my Brandix Corporate Campus learning. So as for career development, BCC connected us with many people who are experienced in this industry, whether it was from Sri Lanka or even from other countries, to help us get a lot of exposure and gave us sessions to talk to them and properly understand the kind of fields that we want to enter into. As well as BCC also had a great Inspired Internship program where they connected us with Brandix Ratmalana, and which is also the internship program that I'm following now. So, and as for personal development, BCC also had many corporate athleticism sessions, as I mentioned before, which helped us grow our soft skills and build our confidence and kind of get us ready for the actual corporate life. So some of the favorite things about BCC was honestly the people that I met along the way, and as I mentioned, getting to live in Karunaratne with a few friends really got us together and helped us to get to know each other really well, and I think I found some really great friends through that. Another favorite thing was how they connected us with a lot of job opportunities just after we finished our diploma program, and helped us get into our careers and helped us get set into our careers at a very early age, and it also happened very seamlessly. Currently, my future plans are to excel in the corporate world. Since I started this internship, I'm now interested in getting a steady position within the company, and possibly in the future to start something of my own, maybe probably a fashion business or something related to this industry.